This is the customer support AI agent that I built with Voiceflow. You can test it and try it. I simply click on run and I simply show you demo. How can I build? I can guide you everything. How can I build that? So you don't need to worry. Welcome to our AI customer support. This will be our message. You want to write this, you can write. If you don't want to write, you can skip. So I simply type what is LLM. I simply type and now it go to our database and ask it, and then use response AI and it can ask the question and provide us answer. Great question. And LLM stands for large language model. It is a type of technology that can understand and generate human-like text by learning from vast amount of written context. Use advanced technology like provide you with the best possible customer support experience and help you find exactly what you are looking for at La Multani. This is my website name that I used to add a database. So you can see, is there any question that I want to ask it? I simply click on yes, so that I can ask another question. If I click no, it can end it with message. So let's build with. I think so. I don't connect it with this exact path. So let's guide you and everything to process to build. So first of all, we need to visit knowledge base. Here we can add our data. So click on database and we can upload by URL, by sitemap, or upload file, and upload file context, PDF, text, docs, and document, or simply pasting text. So let's go to its sitemap. And now I simply copy my website name. This is my dummy website that I built, and simply paste it. And now the grab sitemap and simply paste it here. Simply remove this, and if you want to refresh the content daily, simply click on daily, and we don't need to do anything. Click on save. Now we can see it can grab this much information, this much URLs. I simply don't want to. I simply import this much only, and you can see it will delete and status everything. Now go to here, workflow, and build again. So building this again, I simply open this in a new tab and building a new project. So simply paste it here and click on enter. And I simply paste it here. You can see it. Now it is opening. Now we simply build a project with Voiceflow with our customer support AI agent, so it can grab our website context and provide user related question. The number of project I use created for, so click on new project, and the project name will be customer support. Click on create project. Here you can see it is built now. So this is the dummy that will come with customer support. If you want to, you can untick from there and click on backspace, and now click here and go to message. So what is the message that I want to show? user. When I click like this, hi there, I am, so I simply copy that, hi there, I am Laura from simply copy this much and copy this much and paste it here and change in your behalf. I think why it interning, I don't know. Simply paste it here and give a space and copy it and go to our A note, backspace, click on remove. Here you can see everything is done now. And I change my website name, so my website list, this don't matter for me, you can change. Now click on here and let's just skip this and click on plus, and now we need to listen. And go to capture and click and no, go to listen and capture and drag it here, and now we can grab user reply. So click on entire user reply, we can grab our entire user reply from that. Now click on plus button, now click on here and click on talk and go to prompt. No, don't go to prompt, we go to knowledge base, go to KB source will be our knowledge base. If you can see, now we can find the information on KB source. So what is the variable that I save it? So you can see that it will save as this by default, last utterance, and select variable. So I want to save this as chunk. I say want this one chunk and click on add chunk and click on create variable, and we want to save at chunk, and chunk limit will be 3, and this is our last question that user asks. Now we add a model for this. Go to talk, go to prompt, click on prompt, click on create prompt and rename it support, enter, and now I copy from my this note. So you can see it, I don't want to waste your time. I simply copy my prompt from my here, click on edit prompt, and I simply copy the system prompt. You can copy it and rewrite it your own way. This is the prompt that I use ChatGPT to generate it. You can do it same, and this is the I want to save as conversation history as this is the default by Voiceflow. Click on user, and I simply want to explain you also this. Simply copy this. One thing I forget here, I simply forget to add chunk. Use IBF memory as a conversational memory response as past chat memory, and Let's add this on system prompt. You are customer support AI agent. I this is user query and simply paste it here, and this will be large strings and paste it here. This is knowledge based information that you use to provide answer based on that. This is knowledge based data you need to provide answer. So I simply it also that, so we are save as on chunk, and this is the user prompt, and we simply run it, and we can also test use different model and token limit. I think I don't want to change anything. If you want to play with also, I already play with many time. Click on plus button and go to capture. I simply drag it here. Not capture, we don't want to use capture. So let this, and we use choice function. If the user have multiple questions, they can ask. Click on plus, and the intent will be yes, and bottom will be also yes, and click on plus, and bottom will be no, and go to no, and bottom will be also no. Just save it. If the user have multiple question, so let's connect with this knowledge base again, so it can ask with knowledge base. You can see this is the knowledge base. I simply connect with this. I think you can see it. I think let's disconnect this and click on add another one. Go to talk and go to message. Go to here and simply type minus. Click on minus button, and it can relate to it. Simply type would you have another question, and simply generate 5 variants, and you can see it can generate 5 variants. And now add this to this one here. For no, go to message and simply type okay, bye, and generate also 5 variants. You can see it now. It can generate 5 variants. Now everything is done. You can see this is the customer support AI agent that we built. Now let's run it. Click on run button, and let's ask question. So this is the message that it can serve. What is AI agent? Simply enter it. Now see how can it search. Now it is searching on knowledge base. When it grab, I think chat has ended. I have do a mistake somewhere, I don't know. Let's see it and find it. Go to here and this is save as chunk. Go to support, click on dot and click on edit prompt. And this is the system prompt. That I use to run in background, I think. I also forget to add another thing. Click on captcha and simply drag I think I do some mistake. Let's see what thing I do. So the mistake was just for this, and so I forget to connect to this to there, and so it can end it with enable chat. And okay, bye. If yes, go to talk listen and go to captcha, drag it here and connect with this one. Let's drag it here, not click on this bottom, and so it can drag, and now connect it. I think it is now done. When it can click yes, then it can capture user message, and then we can send to it memory. I think it is not dragging, I don't know. Let's now it will work now. Let's see where can I do mistake. Click on run and see. I think there is a mistake somewhere, I don't know. Let's also find that. Let's type what is AI agent. Now search it. Now it can find the information. So KB search failed. So the knowledge base is searching failed. I don't know. It can save with last utterance also. Save as last utterance. Okay. Knowledge base also has last utterance. I think everything I don't know where can I get mistake, I don't know. Let's see again. What is AI? Runtime intent non-matches. Let's see the knowledge base. If there were any data is importing or I think there were no data. So why we got error? Go to URL, go to sitemap, and we simply need to paste our sitemap. So why I getting error? I don't. So you don't do this mistake again. Just copy this from here to here and paste it here, and you can do as daily. I don't want to do, and click on continue. Now it is importing the data. I don't want to import all, so that this can take a lot of time. Click on import URL. Now it is 7 URL that can be imported. Now we can need to wait, so it can import it now, and go to our AI agent and ask the question. Click on run, and we simply type a question, what is AI? Based on your website information, it can provide answer. What is AI? Click on enter. Great question. Artificial intelligence refer to computer system that can perform tasks. I don't know. We can read it. And you can say, do you need anything else? I think I want so click on yes, and now type. It's in type apple what, and see what type of answer I get. I think apple what intent prediction completed none. See where can I get sock this. Click on this. Would you have another question? So it can ask. If yes, go to here, select entity. Okay, click on entire user reply. So it can't suck now. Click on test your AI agent. Now it can't suck. What is an ATN? Simply search it. So now can ask the question that is not available in our platform. So what is apple, and see what is the information that I get. Now you can see it can asking, sorry I didn't get that, please try again. So yes or no. So I click no, and it can show you okay bye. Alright, goodbye. You can see we can build this simple chatbot for our AI agent. We meet in next video.